Sheetal, a first time mom and a working woman and a YouTuber on this beautiful journey called motherhood. Becoming a mom has changed my life in the best ways, sometimes the craziest ways, and I'm loving it. So, I'm here to share that journey with you all. From pregnancy to postpartum, from baby milestones to the product reviews that we use so far, and also the funny, chaotic parenting moments. I'm here to share it all with you. Whether you're a mom, dad, or expecting to be parents, or someone who loves baby giggles, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and grow our family. Welcome to our channel, Parenting in Progress.
So let's take a sneak peek of my baby shower. I had absolutely no idea what was coming. What started as just another day turned into one of the most emotional and beautiful surprises of my life. My baby shower that was secretly planned by my amazing cousin.
A few hours later.
So when I walked in and saw everything, I was speechless. You can see the happiness in my face and how I'm jumping around. So it wasn't just about the celebration, it was about the people who made me feel so deeply loved and supported. To all my wonderful cousins, thank you for making me feel so special. This baby is already so lucky to be born into a family full of love, laughter, and the best cousins ever. So this is what was going on behind the scenes while I was clueless at home, probably eating and wondering what to do in my life. I later found out how much effort went into this, the planning, the shopping, the coordination, and most importantly, the love they poured into every part of it. We played silly games, laughed a lot, and made memories that I'll cherish forever. It was truly a celebration of love. So, not just for me, but for the little life that was growing inside me. What I loved the most was these newborn onesies, which my cousins painted, were not so artistic, turned out to be artists. So let's look into the delivery drama. So that was it, the final few hours before everything changes, before we meet the tiny soul who's been growing inside me for 9 months. We hadn't actually packed our bags because we went to the doctor for a routine checkup, but the doctor advised us to get myself admitted. There was a strange calmness and also a storm of emotions. I could say a roller coaster of emotions. I was excited, scared, grateful all at once. Every kick and every heartbeat that was echoing in the room on the monitor, which I could see the heartbeat of my baby, it felt surreal. My husband stayed by my side, being supportive. He whispered, "You've got this 100 times," and every time it helped. And the contractions I used to get, I used to squeeze his hands, chant God's names. And my family, the entire family, was waiting outside the delivery room, who were eagerly waiting for the tiny soul to arrive. I had no idea how things would go, but I knew one thing: I was ready to become a mother.
में लावे डांस करता मत करो ऐसे मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे
So after the discharge, we came home and there was a ritual of doing aarti to the baby and the family. And then I entered the home. So my cousin had planned a surprise welcome for me, which left me, with the happy tears. So we came back home after the discharge and all those things on 31st December. So that day was a special milestone. We had a nanny for like 40 days to take care of me and my baby. So here she was, doing the oil massage and bath. So I was nervous at first. His skin was so delicate, his movements were so tiny. The moment the warm oil touched his skin, he gave that cutest little stretch, like he was saying, "Oh, I love this." Next came the bath, his first dip into the warm water. A little nervous at first, but then he was crying out his lungs. Then, after the bath, he was all clean, wrapped up in the soft muslin cloth. And just like that, he was fast asleep. A peaceful, deep nap after a morning bath, Watching him sleep like this, it's the best feeling in the world.
Thank you so much for being a part of our little journey today. Every like, comment, and share means the world to us, and we are here to share more love, laughter, and baby giggles with you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit a thumbs up and share it with a fellow parent to be, and of course, hit that subscribe button to keep us growing. So, until next time, stay kind, stay cozy, and keep loving.